So Jack is clearly trying to hack into a computer and should be jailed. However, we're looking at his success chances. So the probability of success on any attempt is 2 out of 5. That means the probability that he fails is 3 out of 5. So the chance that he fails 3 attempts in a row and doesn't log on successfully, well, this is just the probability that he succeeds 0 times, which is the probability that he fails 3 times. So we've got 3 out of 5 to the power of 3. Now all we have to do for this is 3 cubed over 5 cubed. 3 cubed, 27, over 5 cubed, which is 125. If these basic cubes aren't in your head, well, you can work them out more slowly, but equally this is a 1 mark and it's a nice given 1. So Jack logging on successfully means that really he can't be 0. All right, we can't be 0. So that is to say that we want the probability that x is greater than 0. Now, in this case, we could do this by saying, okay, well, the probability that it's greater than 0 must be equal to the probability that x is 1 plus the probability that x is 2. Or we can take this kind of shortcut route, and we can see this is only 1 mark, so it's not going to be too difficult. This is the equivalent of 1, take away the probability that he entirely fails. All right, so him entirely failing is never getting it right. So if we look back up here, we already worked this out. So actually, we can find this, and we can say, okay, the probability that he successfully logs in is 1, take away this 27 over 125. Which is just going to be equal to 98 over 125. Alright, so this is looking at whether Jack gets in on the 2nd or 3rd attempt. We've got 2 marks here, so we're expecting to do slightly more work than we have already. Now, him successfully getting in on the 2nd means that he fails, and then he succeeds. Him getting in on the 3rd means he fails, then he succeeds. Now we want both of these probabilities added together. Now, I'm just seeing FFS. So we've got 3 over 5 chance that he fails. We've got 2 over 5 chance that he succeeds. And we're adding this to 3 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 5. So in this case, over on the left side, we've got 6 over 25, plus we've got 3 times 3, which is 9, so we've got 18 over 125. So we can easily make these into comparable fractions. Just going to times this one by 5, so I'll get 30 over 125, plus my 18 over 125. So I've got 48 over 125 as my probability. Now, whether we can cancel this, I'm just going to start thinking about basic numbers. 2, obviously it's not going to cancel down with that. 3, not going to work. 5, obviously not going to work. So I'm going to stick with that there and move on to the next one.